Hello, my name is Rajiv and this is the Coding Ninjas project of habit tracker made using React.js. Currently, I am on the homepage. At the top, we have navbar to navigate between homepage and habits page. Initially, we have nothing in habits page as we did not selected any habit. Now let's go back to the homepage. In the homepage, we have two different sections. This is the suggestions section where I have predefined some values of habits from which user can select. And this is the main section inside which at the top I show a quote which will be different on each render. Then we have a button to add habit, and at the bottom we have an image which will be again different on each render. Here we can add any habit by two different ways. The first one is providing custom values, like click on add habit and give any custom values and click on add habit and it will be added to your list. The second method is to select from the suggestion list. Suppose I select exercise. Here it is already filled in input bar and just click on add button and it is added to your list. Now let's see the progress of habits. So this is our habits page. I have selected two habits, so it is showing that you have two habits in your list. To see the weekly progress of any habit, just click on the habit name and it will show you the weekly progress. At the top you have the name of habit, then the day on which you added it, and then the record of past 7 days, which is initially filled with the value of pending, which is this 3 dot. You can select between not done, done or pending, as initially all the values are pending. So in the list we see that 0 out of 7 days the task has been completed. To change the value between done, not done, click on this icon and it will show you the message that task has been done on the following day. If you select not done, no message will be shown, and as you select the value done, the completed days will be changed here. Now you can see that 3 out of 7 days the task has been done. Similarly, you can do this for another habit and again the values has been changed. I have designed this web application using the Tailwind CSS framework, and also this is responsive, so in case you decrease the width, now you won't have any list, you just have weekly progress of each habit. Now let's see the code. So this is our code. Let's first understand the folder structure. In the source folder at the top I have a folder named assets, which is containing two different images used inside our folder. Then we have a folder named component, which contain 10 different components used inside our project. Like the add habits is for adding an habit. Habit list is for showing the list of habits selected by any user. Then habit list item to render a single habit list item inside the user selected habits. Then habit status for showing the status of any habit. Then we have list item for showing list item on the suggestions section. Then the navbar to show the navbar at the top of the screen. Quotes.js for showing a single quote in the main section. Then single day status for rendering a single day card which contain 3 different buttons for complete, not complete and pending. The suggestion section contain all the items in the suggestion section at the home page, and week status is for showing the whole week status of any habit. Then we have a data folder which contain 2 different files. Display image which contain links of different image which will be rendered on our homepage. Then suggested habit which contain the predefined habit values which will be shown in the suggestions section. Then we have pages folder for 3 different pages: detail page, home page and error page. Then we have a Redux folder which contain reducer and stores. Then we have app.js file, index.css for styling, index.js which is our main file, and we have Tailwind config for the Tailwind configuration, as I am using Tailwind CSS. So this is about the whole project. Thank you.